Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Monday, the 23rd of March, 2026. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. A newly discovered macOS malware known as GhostClaw is exploiting everyday habits among developers who rely on code hosted in public repositories. Researchers say the threat hides inside fake software kits, trading tools, and utility projects that appear legitimate at first glance. Instead of exploiting technical vulnerabilities, the campaign manipulates common installation steps that developers often copy directly into their systems. Security analysts warn the tactic makes the malicious code blend into normal workflows, allowing it to quietly steal information from affected machines. An investigation is underway after hackers claim to have stolen personal data from millions of users of a major anime streaming platform. The company confirmed it is reviewing the allegations alongside cybersecurity experts, following reports that roughly 6.8 million accounts may be involved. While the full scope has not been verified, the claim has raised concerns about potential exposure of user information. Officials say the probe is ongoing as more details are assessed. Security researchers are warning about a campaign linked to North Korean threat actors that abuses features in a widely used developer tool to deliver malicious payloads. The attackers reportedly leverage automated functions meant to streamline coding workflows, turning them into a distribution channel for malware. Analysts say the technique allows the threat to spread through trusted development environments with minimal suspicion. Investigators note that the approach highlights growing risks in modern software supply chains and developer ecosystems. A newly identified information-stealing threat known as VoidStealer is reportedly bypassing browser defenses designed to protect user credentials. Researchers say the malware target stored login data and sensitive information, raising concerns about how easily attackers can extract details from compromised systems. The campaign demonstrates how attackers continue adapting to security protections built into modern browsers. Experts advise users and organizations to monitor accounts and strengthen endpoint defenses. Another macOS-focused Infostealer has emerged, drawing attention from security analysts monitoring activity across Apple systems. The malware is designed to collect sensitive data from infected devices, including credentials and other personal information. Researchers say it spreads through deceptive distribution methods that make the malicious files appear legitimate. The discovery underscores the ongoing rise of targeted threats aimed at macOS users. A supply chain incident has disrupted dozens of open-source repositories after attackers compromised part of the infrastructure connected to a popular security scanning project. Reports indicate that multiple repositories were defaced during the breach, prompting concerns about how attackers gained access and what code might have been affected. Security teams are now investigating the intrusion and reviewing systems for potential tampering. The event highlights the growing impact of attacks on software supply chains. Cybersecurity experts have uncovered a large-scale phishing campaign that leveraged artificial intelligence tools and cloud platforms to reach hundreds of organizations. The operation reportedly used convincing messages and automated techniques to trick victims into revealing credentials and granting access. Investigators say the campaign demonstrates how attackers are increasingly blending AI capabilities with traditional phishing strategies. Organizations are being urged to review authentication protections and strengthen user awareness. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall, and we appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world,